Hello friends, this is the video of A to Z Forex training. There I will teach you everything about Forex step by step in a very easy way. If you don't understand anything, just ask me, I will help you. Okay, let's begin. Hello friends, it's me AsirFx. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. I think you have some idea about the race. I think sports running race. So there are many kind of race. So one is something like this, the 100-meter race. So the Usain Bolt is the fastest player for this one. And another kind of race is the marathon. So 100-meter race, you need too much speed to become fast. But in marathon, you have to run not too fast, not too slow, but every time you have to maintain a same speed, because in 100-meter race you just complete 100 meter, but in marathon maybe you have to run 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, because there is a long way you have to go. So that if you run too much fast, then in the middle of the way you will get tired and you cannot complete your race. So you have to run little bit slowly and continuously. So Forex is also like this. Forex is not a small place, it's a very big place. So it's not like this 100-meter race. So this is also like a marathon. So there you come today and you join these things. So you have to learn lots of things, because this will be your lifetime profitable things. You don't come here for 1 day or 2 days or for 5 days or 1 month. This is your lifetime business. Okay, so there if you run like 100 meter, so you cannot complete this thing, because this is the marathon. So there you have to run every time, but not too fast, not too slow, but continuously you have to run, because you have to complete these Forex things. So for this one, I start an episode, the A to Z Forex training. So this is the third video of this episode, and it will be 45 videos, and I will complete these things, and every day I will upload 1 videos. And if you follow these things, it will cover everything and you will learn everything about Forex, because I want that my every subscriber, my every viewers make profit, they don't lose in the Forex. So that I start these things. Last 7 years I am in this field, so I have some experience with this market. I have some little knowledge also with this market. Maybe you also experience with some field, but I have some knowledge. So I just want to share my knowledge, so that I start these things. Okay, so today we will discuss about what is Forex broker and how to choose a good broker and how can you take a full benefit from the broker. Okay, so first I'm going to tell you the video content. So in this video I will discuss about the Forex broker things and how can you choose a good broker, and I will show you our live trading profit. And if you see that, then you can also learn about little bit also about live trading. And at the end I will give you a homework and you have to complete these things. Okay, then we can go to the main videos. Okay, now I'm going to tell you that what is the broker. So I told you before, in the Forex market we buy and sell the currencies, but we don't need any people to find that where we will buy and where we will sell. So who control these things? So in the middleman, broker do these things. So say for example, if I need to buy euro, then I will place an order to my broker, and then they will buy it for me, and whatever I want, I want to sell it, and my broker will sell this currency for me. And also my broker provide me a software named MT4. This is totally free, and by this software, when we place any comment, so the broker will get it and broker buy it for me or sell it for me. So there you can see that in the picture. So there is the trader, broker is a middleman, and there is the bank. So bank is like liquidity provider. Say for example, if any trader make profit, say for example 1 month I trade and I made $1,000 profit, then the question is who pay my profit? So broker don't pay anything. So when I make profit, it means the broker also follow the same order with the liquidity provider, and the liquidity provider pay this $1,000 profit to the broker, and broker pay us. So basically this is the normal system. But nowadays there are many kind of broker like market maker broker or ECN broker or STP broker. So market maker broker is a little bit different. Maybe in future I will discuss about these things, but in normal sense, just broker is just a middleman. Say for example, when we want to buy some flat or buy something, then we go to some people, they have enough knowledge about flat and they have enough collection of flat, and then they sold it to us. Like broker is like middleman, they will take just few charts. Say for example, when we open an order, they will take a small fee as a spread. So in future I will also discuss about the spread. So this is just a broker profit. Whatever happened, we make money or a trader make money or lose money, whatever happened, it doesn't matter for the broker. Broker will just follow our comment, what we want to buy or what we want to sell, when we want to close our order, and everything they will follow. So I think you understand that what is the broker. Broker is just a middleman. There is a trader, broker is a middleman. So broker will place our order to the bank or liquidity provider, and whatever happened, the liquidity provider will pay to the trader. If we lose money, then liquidity provider take all the money. If we win money, then liquidity provider pay us the profit. Now I'm going to the second part, that how we chose a good broker. So in the world it's almost more than 823 forex broker exist. So all of them are not good, and also there is a 10 million active forex trader in this market. So there are 823 forex broker. So which forex broker is a good broker and which forex broker is a scam broker? Because there are many times happened that brokers scam traders money. So sometimes traders deposit money in the broker, but broker take it. Because when you want to trade in this market, you have to put your real money to the broker. Because when you give an order to buy or sell, then broker will use that money, and when you want, you can withdraw money. But if you don't choose a good broker, then when you deposit the money, the broker will take it and go away. Then you have nothing to do. So to choose a good broker is very important things. So for that you just need to check it like few way. So there is some regulation system. One regulation is ASIC. So ASIC means it's the Australian regulation system. So when you choose a broker, you have to see that your broker is a ASIC regulated or not. If you see that your broker is ASIC regulated, then you can trust this broker, and you can trust this broker will never steal your money. And also there is another regulation system is FCA. So FCA is a United Kingdom based authority. So they also give the regulation for the forex broker. So if you see that your forex broker is a FCA regulated, then you can trust your broker. Then another thing is the Cyprus regulated broker. So if you chose the Cyprus regulation broker, then you can see that in the broker they will show you that CYSEC, this regulation. So this regulation is also a good regulation. So whatever broker you chose, you must have to check that your broker is ASIC regulated or FCA regulated or the Cyprus regulated. So if you see that your broker or NZ regulation, it's a New Zealand regulation, it's also very good. So if you see that your broker is regulated by those kind of authority, then you can trust your broker. If you chose an unregulated broker, sometimes it's become a risk for the trader. So it's better. There are lots of regulated broker exist. They are very good. I will also give some link in the video details, and you can check it, and if you want, you can choose these things. And also one thing happened with the USA trader, because most of the good broker USA trader, they don't allow. So I think USA trader can choose FXCM or FX Choice or Pax Forex. Those kind of broker are also very good broker. If US trader, they can also choose. And also in the video details I give some broker link for the Asian, Australian, African and the European trader. If you want, you can choose this, or whatever broker now you have, you can check it that your broker is fully regulated or not, because it's very important. Now I'm going to give you a homework. You must complete these things, and also showing you our real account profit, and I hope you will enjoy it. Now I'm going to the next step. This is my account. You can see my name, and it's a real account, and there is my balance is almost $10,000, and now the balance and now I have no open trade, and now the balance is 10,800, and there I made $2,300 profit, and we withdraw $1,500 few days ago. So there you can see we do very small lot size. We use a very small lot size, and we use the take profit and stop loss. And basically when you will trade in the real account or in the demo account, you must set a take profit and stop loss. It's very important things. Okay, so basically this is my account, so I don't trade every day. When I get some good time, then I trade in this account, and some trade are cheap because those trade are very old trade, so broker sometimes they pick all trade together and make it cheap and set the lot size. So you can see there is no currency name. Okay, now I'm going to the next part. I will give you some homework, and you have to must complete these things. Now I'm giving you a very simple homework. Just go to Google and type history of Forex. Then you will get a first website and name fxzm.com, and click here, and then you will get a very short article, just only few lines, and I want that you read these things, then you will understand more about deeply the Forex history and how it's began and everything about these things. And because you are taking this profession for the lifetime, so you have to know all the small and big things about Forex. So just complete these things, and tomorrow I will give you another homework. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me by the WhatsApp, Skype or email, or by the comment. I will try to reply your all the question. And if you want to know more, you can visit our website. And also, if you like this video, give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notification. And I hope you will learn everything about Forex from my channel. Okay, bye, have a good day.